Now let's open the last banana. Banana is so schmancy. Schmancy banana. Schmancy banana. Schmancy fancy. Here's the schmanciest banana in the whole wide world. He's not fancy. He's schmancy. Hard. Oops. I'm not gonna open the flyer yet because I have the banana surprises. This one has gem stickers. I think I remember. Yep, it has a gem sticker. Gem stickers. Maybe I'll try one out because I already have 3 of that. I look like I'm magical now. Yep, I'm gonna keep it on. Maybe I'll take 2 so I keep it as earrings. Yep. One of them on the first ear. And it disappeared. It fell on the floor, whatever. Then this one I'll put on my hand then. That one disappeared too. And I'm sick. Great. I'm allergic to bananas. What is this? It's a pine. It's a pumpkin. What about this? It's an ice cream man. Look closely. Times 1, times 2. See this banana? Now I'm gonna go back to wide. And now let's see what we have. No, this one is full. So this one is the one we haven't opened yet. So let's go smaller to big. Ah! Let's go times 2 on this thing. No, maybe times 1 is better. I don't want them to see my fingers. And it's not focusing. This time I'm going to put it. It's so blurry. Now let's go back. Nope. I cut something again. The sticker is broken. The sticker was good before, but I cut it multiple times. Let's get our squishy out. These are actually very squishy and fast rising. But it's kind of hard. It's like an underwater toy that squeaks. In my eyes, I see it's purple, but it's blue on camera. It's supposed to be purple, but I see it but it's blue on camera. It's purple on my eyes. It's completely different. Oh, this is the other one. Oops. Let's check it out. Check it out. Banana, Baobab, Free, Bunch 1. Oh, there it is. There it is. We got Ellie Elephant. Ellie Elephant. BFF is Meldring Cow. Where's Meldring Cow? Meldring Cow is right here. And BFF is Ellie Elephant. Do you have a pen? Can you give me a pen? Like this hotel pen? Something. You go faster, cuz. I need one straight away. Yes, I got a pen. I'm going to cross out which one I have and which one I don't have. I think I had this one. Yes. I had the glassy lizard that I'm going to cross out, and Ellie Elephant. And I crossed out all 3 of mine. So here's your pen back, and let's stick the sticker on the banana. I'm gonna stick the sticker on the banana. Yes, now I have to throw this in the bin. Let's put Ellie Elephant in here. And then put the leaf, and then put the very long thingy, and the things that come with. And then the gem stickers. I already used 2, so there's 4 left to use for decorating or playing. So that's all for my bananas. So bye guys, see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. And we want 1 million subscribers, so press the subscribe button. And we'll see you all next time. Goodbye.